water is rising. It has been rising for 17 years. This is the Three Gorges Dam, the most powerful machine human civilization has ever switched on.
1954, the Yangtze flooded again. 33,000 people dead. 18 million displaced.
The Yangtze was still flowing. You cannot build a dam in a moving river. They had to move the river.
34,000 workers, every single day, 3 shifts, 24 hours, no weekends, no holidays.
One concrete pour every 24 hours for 6 straight years without stopping.
One of the world's mightiest rivers, Yangtze, rerouted by humans with explosives.
One failure, the entire construction site floods. Years of work, gone in hours. The walls held.
The reservoir would stretch 600 kilometers upstream. 13 cities, 140 towns, all of them tamed underwater.
People whose families had lived in those valleys for 2,000 years. The government said, move. And they moved.
Entire cities now exist only underwater. Streets, temples, homes.
5,000 years of artifacts, temples, tombs, ancient cities, documented before.
Each turbine, the size of a 4-story building. 700 megawatts per unit. 32 units total.
A rotor spinning at full power cedar, balanced so perfectly that a coin placed on the housing does not fall.
2003. The gates closed for the first time. The water began to rise. Engineers watched the dam face for crack.
The dam moved 27 millimeters under water pressure. That was expected, designed for.
A 10,000-ton ship raised 113 meters in 4 hours by water alone.
22,500 megawatts, more than 10 nuclear power plants combined, flowing into the Chinese grid.
No coal burned, no carbon released. Enough electricity to power a country the size of France. Clean, every single day.
But the river fought back. 530 million tons of sediment brine stopped, dropped. The Chinese sturgeon, a species that survived the dinosaurs, pushed to the edge of extinction.
The reservoir triggered landslides. Ancient hillsides loosened by rising water. The engineering anticipated
30 trillion liters of water pressing into the earth changes stress on fault lines. Engineers say it can survive a magnitude 7.0 earthquake. The geology is still deciding.
The initial estimate really $8 billion. The final cost billion, $37 billion. And rising.
One dam, one river, 18 years to build. 1.4 billion people downstream.
This is the Three Gorges Dam, the most powerful machine human civilization has ever switched on.